Contemporary wars are not being fought on the battlefields alone. We, in this age of digitization and information overload, are facing an unprecedented scale of psychological warfare. The government of India is determined to employ adaptive defense strategies to counter the menace of information warfare against national security. Our government has taken robust steps to deal with contemporary threats to the nation. While these include measures against the external threats, these also focus on enhancing our indigenous capability and capacity. Several initiatives have been taken to address the issues of the defense modernization and production. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, with its focus on self-reliance in defense sector, forms the bedrock of this vision. The Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020 prioritizes domestic procurement and promotes indigenously designed, developed, and manufactured products. I commend the MP IDSA for having initiated an academic exercise to review DAP 2020 in consultation with all stakeholders. The emphasis on indigenous capabilities aligns with our aim to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers. This must not be seen as an isolationist approach, as we are very much open to foreign investment, collaboration, joint research and development, and co-production with the broader framework of Make in India initiative. To attract investments from the defense industry, the Government of India has increased the foreign direct investment limit up to 100% in specific cases. It has also streamlined the procedure to invest in defense manufacturing industry with increasing the upper limit of 74% through the automatic route.